Hey guys, so we're going to work on a couple more things today. First thing I want to talk about is, so I started drawing and my ruler was leaving black marks all over my paper. So what happens is as you're sliding your ruler around, it's picking up on the graphite as you use it. So I'm just going to take a little rubbing alcohol. You guys probably have this at your house. And I'm just going to wipe down my ruler so it doesn't leave any marks. You don't want to mess up your paper. That's actually pretty good. Okay. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is bricks. And you guys know what bricks look like, right? They're kind of offset little, kind of stacked up. You don't want these lines all to line up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing I'm going to do is draw my, the long lines that go to the point. All right, so my point's over here. I'm going to line up my ruler. Oh, sorry. Before I do that, I want them to be evenly spaced. So I'm going to use my ruler on this line here and make a little notch every, 5 millimeters, I think it is. All right, so see all my little notches there. So now when I line up my ruler, I'm going to use that notch that's here and then my point that's over there. Okay. That way they'll all be evenly spaced. All I had to do was make that one little mark and they're all going to be evenly spaced. Remember, you guys are drawing an architectural drawing, so you want it to be precise, right? So it helps to use a mechanical pencil, do a little measuring when you need to, so it looks really, really neat and tidy. So there's my long lines, okay? Now to do the vertical lines, they're gonna be kind of spaced apart. Not spaced apart, what's the word? Like offset. So I'm gonna draw a line, I'm gonna skip a space, draw a line, skip a space, draw a line, skip a space, draw a line. Okay, see how I skipped every other one? And you could probably measure that too if you wanted to. So I'm gonna draw a line, skip a space, draw a line, skip a space, draw a line. See what I'm doing here? And I'm drawing these bricks kind of big, just so they'll show up a little bit better on camera. You could do them a little bit smaller. They look more like, what do you call it? Oops, wrong line. I meant to go the next one down. So draw a line, skip a space, draw a line, skip a space, draw a line, and then I got one more here. Draw a line, skip a space, draw a line, skip a space, draw a line, skip a space. Some of you have tried to do the brick before, and what's happening is your ruler is a little cattywampus like that, so the lines aren't completely vertical. So you want to make sure that they're totally, the ruler is vertical. So it should be parallel with the edge of your paper. All right, so there's bricks. And what else do we need to do? Oh, let me do I'll do a balcony. Some of you guys wanted me to do a balcony the other day. I'll do one up here. So a balcony is essentially a box, all right? Just kind of stuck on the side of the building. So I'm gonna make, you know what? I'll do one all by itself and then I'll show you how to line them up. But basically, if you wanna do more than one, see how the bottoms of these lines go to the point, right? That's how you get those to line up properly. But I'll just do one for now. So I'm gonna go on this side of the building here, right? He's overlooking the street. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop in a vertical line where I think it should go. Kind of over on the edge, okay? So this is just like when you're doing a box where you start with a vertical line, okay? So from the top and the bottom, I'm gonna go to that point, and then from the top of the bottom, I'm gonna go to that point. Oh, that's a really tall balcony. Let's not make it that tall. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to this point. That side's a little longer, right? And then pop in a vertical, okay? Now this particular balcony is very close to the horizon line. It's just on it. So you're not gonna see the top or the bottom. So maybe I'll do another one because that's gonna be confusing for you. I apologize. You know what? I'll do one down here. I'll do one on this building here. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gonna start with my vertical. Okay, then I'm gonna, just like every box, you got top and the bottom. You're going to that one point on the right. And then I'm gonna come over to the left point. That one's longer. All right, then just like every other box, I need my verticals. All right, are you starting to see it? So what am I missing? I'm missing this little line right here, right? Gotta use that other point. And you know, I'm gonna need a door on my balcony. Oh, I forgot to do the little bottom line, sorry. So this balcony, let's say it's gonna be like glass, you can see through it. So do you see how it's just a box? That's all it is, right? That's all the balcony is. I'm gonna pop some doors in here. And I got a little close to my roof there, so when I do my top line, I'll bring that down a little bit. And of course they're French doors, you know, like you gotta like throw the doors open in the morning when you come out to have your coffee. Okay, now to make it look like it's glass, there's this little trick people do where they're kind of like two little parallel lines. So kind of like, all right, and then I'll do ones over here. And you have to make that little sound when you do it. All right, so it looks like glass. Maybe a little handle on my doors. Okay, so easy peasy. All it is a box on the side of the box. And there's your balcony. All right, have fun.